Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Russ and I drive my 2024 Subaru Forester Sport. In this video I'm going to tell you 3 reasons why I don't think you should get this car. So the first reason is going to be the fuel economy. So while this car does pretty impressive numbers when it comes to the highway MPG, I could do 35 mpg all day long without even trying. Also important to know that this car can give you almost 600 miles in one tank of fuel. That's also pretty impressive. But at the same time, city MPG, as you could see now, wow, 12.2. Obviously, that's a little bit wrong, but on average, I get around 16 mpg in this car, which is pretty awful. The second reason I would not recommend this car is basically the cargo space behind the second row passengers. While this car is super roomy and your passengers will never ever complain that there is not enough space, I'm 6'4", I'm super comfortable, there's about this much space above my head. It's super roomy in terms of the interior, but at the same time, the cargo space, if that's important, once again, if you're doing Lyft or Uber and you're picking up passengers from the airport with the suitcases all day long, consider that basically the Subaru Forester does not have the biggest cargo compartment, and it's definitely not class leading. But at the same time, for me, for my family, me, my wife, and my kid, it's perfect. We never considered that, wow, it's not enough. But at the same time, if you're looking at the numbers, yeah, the Subaru unfortunately is not winning any competitions here. So yeah, keep that in mind before you get this car. And finally, the third reason why I would not recommend you get this car is if you're somebody who cares too much about what other people think about you. So basically, if you get a Subaru, I promise you all your friends and family are gonna send you a ton of memes making fun of you as a Subaru driver. And if you can't laugh it off and brush it off basically, then don't get a Subaru, get a Toyota, get a Honda, Nissan, just blend in and life will be great. So if you don't care about those things and if you find them silly, get this car. But if that's going to be something that might bother you or mess with your image, then yeah, just be prepared that people will jokingly make fun of you for driving a Subaru. And to me, I think it's a badge of honor. I like being a little bit more unique, and I could care less about these memes. But if you're somebody who just wants to quote unquote stay cool, don't get this car. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.